Hello, this is a Narain single phase preventer model mini, a current sensing type. So this is a single phase preventer which can be used for all varieties of three phase submersible starters, right from 3 HP to 25 HP. Even though it is written as 5 to 20, it can be pushed further up to 25 HP or brought it down to 3 HP. So this is a very compact device which fits in almost all varieties of three phase starters. And the main advantage of using single phase preventers is such that the three phase motor should always run in the presence of three phase power supply. So during the loss of one of the phase, if the motor continues to run by any chance, then the motor coils will get burnt very easily in a short period of time, which will result in, you'll have to lift the motor back, rewind it again and put it down. So in order to avoid burning issues due to single phasing is nothing but a loss of supply phase. So we will use Narain single phase preventer model mini. So this, as mentioned, is a current sensing type. So the main advantage of current sensing type preventers is that it will sense the incoming side and also the load side. So whenever one of the motor cables is cut due to some reason, the motor is stripped immediately. In the similar way, if the supply is not present, even then the motor is not allowed to run. So a very effective and a very compact unit which can be and even it's pretty economical if you are thinking in terms of the budget issues. Budget wise also, this is a very affordable product which can be used for all different types of three phase starters. Now we will quickly have a look at the connections of Narain single phase preventer model mini to LTLK star delta starter. So this video basically explains the connections to a star delta starter. And before that, so Narain single phase preventer model mini looks something like this. It will just have three holes, three holes, and it will read L1, L2, L3 on one end, and the other side it reads M1, M2 and M3. Then you will have two wires coming out of it, which are labeled or marked as C1 and C2, and the wires will be red and black in color. And you will also see a motor on LED here. So we will quickly run through the LTLK star delta starter and how to make connections of Narain single phase preventer model mini to that. So we have the setup which already has the connections made. So as you know, the LTLK star delta starter will have the incoming three phase supply coming into these three connectors. Then you will have two sets of motor cables. The motor, since it's a star delta motor, it will have two sets of cables. One set will be connected to the delta contactor like this, and the other set will be connected to the line contactor like this. So the Narain single phase preventer model mini comes in the line of the incoming three phase supply. So incoming three phase supply, instead of coming directly into the starter, should pass through the holes provided in the preventer model mini. So you can see three holes and three wires passing through it. These are nothing but the supply wires which are coming from the MCB or the fuse. So the three wires should pass through the holes and then go as an input to the starter, to these terminals. Okay. So all the three wires have their independent holes to be passed through. So instead of just passing the wire, it is always recommended that you loop the wire once or twice. So if the motor is drawing lesser current in star configuration, you can even loop it 2 times or 3 times. Looping it more is better. It doesn't do any harm to the preventer. So it increases the current sensing capability of the preventer. So the first set of cables, the three cables, they just run through the holes with the loops around the holes, and then they go as input to the starter. Then comes the main part of the connection, C1 and C2. So C1 and C2 should be connected basically in series with the holding contact of the contactor, of the line contactor. So on the LTLK star delta starter, the configuration will be something like this. You can see this wire connected and two wires coming to this particular point. Okay, there will be a wire connecting these 2 points, and also this point will have two wires. So what you need to do first is you will have to take out the wire which is connecting between these 2 points. The wire which is connected between these 2 points should be removed. Okay, this is step number 1. Then the wire which was there, the only wire which will be here, should be taken out and connected to the line contactor coil. Okay, so that is this wire. So this yellow wire was initially connected here. So before that, the wire which was here is removed, first step. Then the yellow wire or any other wire which is there here should be taken out and connected to the coil point. Once that is made, this particular connector will be empty, no wires will be there. So here you will have to connect C1 and C2 of Narayan single phase preventer model mini. So the C1 and C2, which are basically red and black in color, one wire goes here and the other wire should be connected to coil pod. So I'll repeat the connections again. You will have a wire which is connecting between these 2 points, and then you will also have another wire here. So first thing is you'll have to remove this link, this wire. Then the next step would be, the wire which is connected here will be removed and connected to this point. Then this point will be empty, no connections here. So you'll have to take C1 and C2 from model mini, connect one of the wires to this point and the other wire to this point. So even if red is connected here, black is connected here, it doesn't make any difference as long as they are connected to these 2 points. So this is about the connections of Narayan preventer. Pretty simple connections. We will now have a look at the demonstration of how this particular product works. So we will now be turning on the 3-phase power supply. So turning on the starter would be pressing the start push button on the line contactor on the relay. The motor turned on, so as long as we press and hold, the motor continues to run in star configuration, and the moment you release, the motor continues to run in delta configuration. Right now the motor is running. You can see this preventer on, light continuously on. So then if you will try taking out a phase. So amongst the 3 incoming supply, we'll be taking out the yellow phase. You can see the performance of single phase preventer. So as the moment we took off the line, the motor immediately turned off. So this took around maybe lesser than a second's time to turn off the motor. So this is the effectiveness of using Narayan single phase preventer model mini. The motor is instantaneously turned off when single phasing, and even now if you try to switch on the motor would not run because the preventer is not allowing the motor to run. So as long as you press this, the motor will run. The moment you release this, the motor will not continue to run. So we'll try giving back the line which was taken. The center line or the center fuse which was taken is now been reconnected again. Now if we try switching on the motor, you can see the motor running. See the preventer on, light glowing there, and the motor continue to running in the delta configuration. Similarly, if we take out one of the other lines apart from the one which we took off, we'll be taking out the blue phase now, the last phase. Even then the motor instantaneously flips. The performance would be the same between all the 3 lines. This is a very effective product which has to go in handy with all 3-phase starters. A very compact unit which has a wide band also, so it works right from 2 to 3 HP to 25 HP. So I hope the video was clear. If you have any queries regarding the connections or the performance of mini, you can always reach us on 9972243774. I repeat, the contact number is 9972243774. You can also browse our website www.narayanelectrics.in to have a look at all our products, and you can even place an order for this particular product on our website itself. Thanks for watching this video.